Lesson 124. Let me remember I am one with God.
Hi there. How about we learn one of the most powerful meditations we could ever encounter in A Course in Miracles and possibly in our life? Let's pay close attention to Lesson 124 today.
Let me remember I am one with God.
Today, let's give thanks for our identity in God. Our home is safe, we are protected in all our endeavors, and we have access to divine power and strength to accomplish anything we want. We cannot fail, as everything we do is infused with radiant light that blesses and heals. We walk through life with joy, secure in the knowledge that we are united with God and the universe, and that God is always with us wherever we go. How holy are our minds! Everything we see reflects the holiness of our mind, which is one with God. Errors disappear and death is replaced by eternal life. We move toward the truth with the assurance that God is with us throughout our journey. The light we carry will illuminate the path also for those who come after us, so they will be able to find the way. What we receive is a gift that we can pass on to those who follow after, to those who went before, and to those who have been with us in the past. God, who loves us with the same love with which we were created, smiles upon us and offers us the happiness we have given. Today, let us trust in God's love for us and in His protection. No meaningless anxieties can come between our faith and our awareness of His presence. We are one with Him today, in our thoughts and feelings. We feel His presence in our hearts, and our minds are filled with His thoughts. As we look upon the world today, we will see only His loveliness in everything and everyone. Today, we see only the loving and the lovable. We see beyond the appearances of pain and find peace. We see peace in the frantic, the sad, the distressed, the scared, and the lonely. And as we see peace in them, they are brought back to tranquility and peace of mind. We see it in the dying and the dead as well, and they are restored to life. All this we see, because we have first seen it within ourselves.
No miracle can ever be denied to those who know that they are one with God.
Their thoughts can heal all forms of suffering in anyone, past, present, and future, because their thoughts are not limited by time or space. As we affirm our unity with God, we acknowledge our own salvation and healing, and recognize that we also have the power to heal and save others. Having received the gifts of God, we are now ready to share them with the world. Let us embrace our oneness with God today, allowing the world to see through our perception. Through our recognition of this reality, the world is liberated and freed from illusion. As we deny our separation from God, the world is healed along with us. Let peace be with us today. Let's secure our peace by practicing the awareness that we are one with our Creator, as He is with us. Let's take some time, whenever it feels right, to dedicate half an hour to the thought that we are one with God. This will be our first attempt to practice for an extended period of meditation without any rules or special words to follow. Let's trust God's voice to speak to us as He sees fit today, and He will not fail. Let's devote this half hour to being with Him, and we can be sure that He will do the rest. Even if we believe that nothing happens, the benefits of our meditation will not be diminished. We may not be ready to receive its rewards today, but they will come to us in due time, and we will recognize them. This half hour will be framed in gold, with each minute shining like a diamond, encircling the mirror that this exercise offers us, in which we will behold the face of Christ reflected back to us in our own image. Perhaps today, perhaps tomorrow, we will see our own transfiguration in this mirror. We will find it when we're ready. We will realize then that there was no time better spent than this half hour on this meditation. Perhaps today, perhaps tomorrow, we will look into this mirror and understand that the beautiful light we see is a reflection of our own divine essence. This sacred half hour is a gift we offer to God, and in return, we will receive a profound sense of love that surpasses understanding, a joy too great to comprehend, and a sight too holy for our eyes to see. And although we may not fully comprehend these blessings now, rest assured that someday, perhaps today, perhaps tomorrow, we will understand, we will comprehend, and we will see. Let's add further jewels to the golden frame of the mirror of our meditation by repeating to ourselves every hour today.
Let me remember I am one with God, at one with all my brothers and myself, in everlasting holiness and peace.
Let me remember I am one with God, at one with all my brothers and myself, in everlasting holiness and peace.
Let me remember I am one with God, at one with all my brothers and myself, in everlasting holiness and peace.
How beautiful is that? Have you ever imagined that you could be blessed with such profound experiences in your life? Let's try to remember it throughout the day. Let's remember that we are indeed one with God and with all our brothers. Even if we don't quite grasp it yet, let's remember this today as we go about our day, interacting with the people we meet, or even when we're in the middle of the street amongst strangers. We are one with those people. We are one with them, with God, and with our true self. Let's not only consider it. Let's act accordingly. You're doing great. See you tomorrow for another enlightening lesson. Quick note before you go. Making these videos is a labor of love, but it's still financially challenging. If you've found value in what you've watched, please consider supporting with a donation. Even the humblest contribution means the world and ensures the continuation of these daily lessons. Thank you for your generosity.
Did you enjoy the video and find it helpful? Please give it a like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have a new lesson every day. And if you've been with us for a while, please consider supporting the channel. There's a lot of love behind these videos. Check out the video description for more details.